Welcome to Maldives Campaign Manager video tutorials. In this video, we will go through the basics of Voters Registry and the relevant functions. Voters list for the acquired constituency will be downloaded automatically into the system. However, some contact numbers might be missing or incorrect due to the continuous changes in the voters. We will keep updating our data as much as possible, and the data will be automatically available to all the license holders. Voters Registry consists of 5 tabs displaying data in 6 different methods: Demographics, List View, Form View, Voters by Residence by Party, Voters by Residence by Status, Voters by Blocks by Party. Demographics includes some geographical representation of the target audience. Currently, there are 3 different sets of geographical displays for the target audience. Display types shall increase in the near future. Voters by gender displays how the target audience has distributed based on their gender. The information can further be classified according to their political belief. You can select the party from the drop-down box at the bottom of the graph, and the pie will immediately be updated with the selected party audience. Voters by party display how the target audience is represented by their political belief. You can further view details of the political belief of the target audience by selecting the respective gender option from the drop-down at the top. Voters by age group display how the target audience is distributed within the age group ranges. Age group ranges are calculated starting from 18 to 58 years, accumulating every 5 years, and target audience above 58 years. You may filter the data furthermore by their political belief or by the gender of the target audience. List View is an easy way to view the complete list of the target audience. You can easily find a specific voter or a group of voters using the List View. List View automatically colors the rows of the people based on their political belief with the color of the party. The leftmost column is associated with the map displaying the geographical location of the voter's residence. To locate the residence of the map, simply double-click on the map icon, as it will open up the map on a new screen and point out exact location of the residence of the voter. When the address is located, it will show the details of the house in a pop-up with the road, district, postcode, and the block number of the house. At the moment, we have only the houses of Malé embedded in the application, but we will have the houses of the rest of the islands of Maldives included in the near future. Form View gives you a more in-depth detail about each voter. This is one screen where you can get all the details of any given voter in the database, all the door-to-door visits, if any group meetings of all telephone calls, giveaways, etc. Form View is also where you edit and update the voter details. Voters by Residence by Party give you an overview of each house. It shows you the list of all the houses with number of eligible voters and how many of them belong to each party. It's by default sorted in descending order, thus leaving the maximum number of voters' house on the top. Voters by Residence by Status show the same list of houses with the total number of eligible voters and the status of the voters. Having this list shows you a brief idea of which houses to be addressed first depending on the more voters residing in one particular house. Voters by Block shows how a summary of the voters count in each block and how the voters are divided among the parties.